Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn chapter 7, Our Country, India. Let's read. India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, the Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. Watch the shores of the Indian Peninsula. Let me show the image of map India map. Children, look at this India political map. India political map. In India is bounded with north side Himalayas, lofty Himalayas. Lofty means very height. So north side there is a Himalaya. West side there is Arabian Sea. East side there is a Bay of Bengal. And in the south side there is a Indian Ocean. Look at the map, you can see. So all four sides there is a, it's bounded with mountain one side, three sides it bounded with water or oceans. So let's see what is peninsula. Peninsula is a piece of land which surrounded with three side water. See, India is a peninsula. Why? Because India is surrounded three side with water. See, in the west side there is Arabian Sea, in the east side there is a Bay of Bengal, and in the south side there is a Indian Ocean. So what is peninsula? Peninsula is a piece of land that is surrounded by water on three sides. India is a peninsula because India is covered three sides with water. India has an area about 3.28 million square feet. What is the area of India? 3.28 million square kilometer. The north south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3200 kilometer, and the east west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2900 kilometer. Let me show the map of India. So Jammu north to south, Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari, it is 3200 kilometer extent, and west to east, that is Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh, is about 2900 kilometer. The lofty mountains, the great Indian desert, the northern plains, the uneven plateau surface, and the coast and highland present in diversity of landforms. In the last class, we have learned about major landforms. Is it? Yes, that is plateaus, plains and mountains we have learned. In India, we can see all variety landforms only in India. That is mountain, plateaus, deserts, plains, coastals and highlands. Let me show the map, physical map of India. This is the physical map of India. Now here you can see in the north side there is a Himalayas, that is mountain, and see there is a green color coastal side near the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, so that is the coastal area, and the yellow color one plateau region. So Deccan Plateau is the oldest plateau in the plateau in India. So the yellow color one is plateaus, and the green color is plain regions, plains which is fertile land formed by India and Brahmaputra rivers and also other rivers, but is the biggest one is India and Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers. So this is the physical map of India. Here you can see different landforms of India and the great desert. The Indian desert name is Thar desert. So you can see the desert also. Look at the image, India map. You can, it is visible, no? So Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, three side it is covered with water. So India is known as peninsula. North side there is a mountain, that is Great Himalayas, and in the coastal areas you can see the coastal areas and highlands. There are, see, out of the India, see, there is a Andaman and Nicobar island and Lakshadweep island. So there are two islands in India. So India have major landforms only you can see in our country. All kind of major landforms we can see in our country. So next, there is a great variety in the climate also. We can see three types of major climate changes, no? That is summer season, winter season and rainy season. Vegetations, wildlife as well. Vegetation means plants and trees, plant kingdom. Wildlife means animal kingdom. We can see different kind of animals and plants, trees in our country. And also languages, there are more than 3000 languages speaking in India. So there are more than 3000 languages. So and culture also, different cultures we can see in India. In this diversity we find unity that is reflected in traditions. We can see different variety of traditions also in India. There are large number of religion, caste. You can see religions means Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, all religious in India. And also more castes. Language speaker, I already said there is a more than 3000 languages speaking in India. Ethnic groups and cultures, different cultures also we can see in India. The population of India is more than 120 crores. This is the since 2011, the year of 2011, our population was 120 crores. The second most populous country of the world after China. India is the second populous country in the world. The first place goes to China. Now let's see the locational setting. India is located in the northern hemisphere. Which hemisphere India is located? Northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost halfway through the country. So Tropic of Cancer, we can see the Tropic of Cancer. Let me show the image of 7.2. So this is the image, India map of political map of India. So 7.2, you can see the Tropic of Cancer passes. So you can see the degrees, the longitudes and latitudes. So what is longitudes? The imaginary which passes from north to south is the longitude, and imaginary which passes from south to east to west is known as latitudes. So you can see the degrees in this map. There are given, degrees are given. So now let me show the globe. Children, this is the image of globe. See, there is a red color line, that is the equator. So look at the image. This equator means 0 degree latitude. Now where is India? India is in northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere? So India is in northern hemisphere. due to great longitudinal extent of about 29 degree. So I said what is longitude and latitude, no? So longitude is the imaginary line which passes from north to south, that is known as longitude. So now 29 degree, there could be a wide difference in local time of places located at the two extreme points of India. As such, the difference between these 2 points would be of about 2 hours. As you have learnt earlier, the local time changes by 4 minutes of every 1 degree of longitude. The sun rises about 2 hours earlier in the east than in the west. We have already learned about this our timings, that is what we say IST, Indian Standard Time, in the last chapters. So now let's see India's neighbors. Children, you have neighbors at home, no? Do you have neighbors? Means those who are there next to your house, they are known as neighbors. Same like India is also have neighbor countries. Let's see our neighbor countries. Look at this map. You can see the neighbor countries. So one side Pakistan, Tibet, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and also Maldives also our neighbors. Maldives, they are highlands. So these are our neighbors. Okay children, we came to an end of the our part. So let me explain the worksheet.